This assessment asks us to predict the product with the correct stereochemistry when we do this Diels-Alder reaction from the opposite orientation. Traditionally, the diene approaches the dienophile from the top, with the diene on top and the dienophile on bottom. Traditionally, when we do it that way, the inner substituents rotate up onto wedges and the outer substituents rotate down onto dashes. Here, we're doing it from the opposite perspective, where the diene is on top and the dienophile, or the other way around, where the diene is on bottom and the dienophile is on top. When that happens, the stereochemistry will also change. The inner substituents will rotate down onto dashes, and the outer substituents will rotate up onto wedges. So we'll end up with the same skeleton of our product. We'll still end up with a cyclohexene. The methyl group, which we would traditionally draw on a wedge, will be drawn on a dash, and the methoxy group, which we would traditionally draw on a dash, will be drawn on a wedge. This is the product when we draw the Diels-Alder product from the opposite orientation.